Visibly thriving skin starts with the unseen. 1.3 billion epidermal cells, communicating, working together. During Clé de Peau Beauté's 40 years of skin cell research, we began to draw links between the signals within skin, revealing a distinct ability to detect stimuli and recognize negative from positive. We call this skin intelligence. Aging, UV exposure, pollution, and lifestyle stress may weaken skin intelligence, which leads to a weaker skin barrier that more aggressors can cross. Addressing only superficial signs without supporting skin intelligence can see skin stuck in a cycle of damage and repair. Clé de Peau Beauté's unique approach breaks this cycle. We believe that leveling up skin intelligence is the highest priority. Our essential skincare routine, Key Radiance Care, supports skin intelligence on a daily basis for lifelong radiance that self-optimizes and thrives. Unlock the power of your radiance. The laboratories of Clé de Peau Beauté.